Let's experience Muğla together. Hello, my fellow traveler friends. Today, our journey isn't just to a point where the Mediterranean and Aegean seas meet in southern Turkey. It's to a place where you'll feel like you're in an earthly paradise. Muğla? For me, this region isn't just a travel itinerary. It literally embodies passion and love. I am sure you have never seen another spot where the turquoise sea and natural green intertwine and complement each other so well. In the face of the beauties you see, you won't be able to help yourself from asking, is this real? I'm going to show you every beauty to the fullest. The rest is up to you. If you wish, wander in admiration through the luxury and grandeur of Bodrum streets. Or if you prefer, refresh yourself in the ice-cold Azmak waters of Akyaka. There are dozens of options in Muğla to rewrite your story. Options appealing to every taste will be waiting for you. I have traveled every inch of this city many times, and now it's time to pass this pleasant journey on to you with all its tips. Yes, friends, if you're ready. We are moving on to that great discovery that will rest our souls. How do I get to Muğla most easily and practically? Don't worry, all roads lead to pleasure. Let's start with the question, how do we get to Muğla? At this point, our job is quite simple. There are two major airports in the city. To the west, Milas-Bodrum Airport, and to the east, Dalaman Airport are your most ideal transportation routes. Choosing the airport closest to the district where you will start your journey will prevent time loss. After arriving at the airport, you can reach your desired point directly via private shuttles within the airport. Or, if you say, I want a car at my disposal so I can move as I wish. That is, if you are one of those who love to go rogue, I can recommend professional car rental services at the airport. If you ask me, the best thing is to rent a car. Because the pleasure of those secluded and magnificent bays can only be experienced on those lonely roads. At the same time, I'd say don't skip the Bodrum-Datça ferries, which will turn your transportation into a blue cruise. Sipping your coffee accompanied by seagulls while the wind hits your face will be a wonderful experience. You will feel that your vacation has started at that very moment. That's when the vacation begins. Our first stop, the famous Bodrum, the choice of the elite Bodrum, is a passion. For me, everything stops when it comes to Bodrum. It's not just about the nightlife as people think. The majestic Bodrum Castle is wonderful. It's likely you'll feel like a knight while climbing the castle's bastions. The Museum of Underwater Archaeology inside the castle is a whole different world. I wonder if seeing the world's oldest shipwreck will give you goosebumps too. I especially look forward to your comments on this. Also, every tower of Bodrum Castle has a different name. I'm sure you'll feel like you're teleporting to a different era with the French, Italian, and German towers. Our second stop, Fethiye Ölüdeniz, and the famous adrenaline-filled Babadağ. Next stop is the apple of Muğla's eye, Fethiye Ölüdeniz, connected to Fethiye, calls out to you with its stagnant and turquoise blue salty waters. But I want to take you a bit higher, to the summit of Babadağ. When you reach the 1,965-meter peak of Babadağ, you say, this place is very suitable for flying. Soaring over that turquoise lagoon with paragliding in a safe manner with professional teams will be an unforgettable memory. Believe me, don't say I lived Muğla to my bones without having this experience. If you can't overcome your fears and say flying isn't for me, don't worry. You can take the cable car up to Babadağ and have a romantic and wonderful time during that famous sunset. I claim the view will intoxicate you. Our third stop, Akyaka and the magic of Azmak River awaits. Why I think it's time to leave yourself to the cool waters. Hold on tight. We are entering the famous Azmak River in Akyaka. This place resembles an aquarium. While traveling on the boat, the plants under the crystal clear water and those gracefully gliding sea creatures create a feeling as if they are behind a glass. However, I must mention that many parts of the Azmak River are around 12 degrees, meaning this river, which is ice cold for some and just a cool sweet water for others, will fascinate you. You won't find the peace of having breakfast while dipping your feet into the water at those wooden architecture restaurants anywhere else. This place is known as a true sit-a-slow spot. Our fourth stop, Marmaris and its streets where you'll get lost in historic Marmaris, is a very special place. I can even call it the declaration of love from pine forests to the sea. Like me, you will love getting lost in those narrow and bougainvillea-covered streets of Marmaris. It's very pleasant to climb Marmaris Castle, a legacy from the Ottoman Sultan Suleiman the Magnificent, and watch those luxury and magnificent yachts in the harbor. But what I really adore is the surroundings of Marmaris. I'm sure you will also love the Kukumo region, where you literally walk in the middle of the sea and Selamai, the address of peace and tranquility. Every point in Marmaris seems to open its doors to a new paradise, waiting to be discovered. Our fifth stop, Datça, where people in a hurry have no business next, is the city of love and peace. My dear Datça, you understand why the famous Turkish poet Yücel fell in love with this place while walking through the narrow, authentic, and stone streets of old Datça. As you wander here, you might feel a voice constantly whispering, "Slow down," in your ear. Standing at the final point where the unique blue waters of the Aegean and Mediterranean meet at the Knidos ancient city is priceless and will allow you to collect very valuable memories. The three things that come to mind most when we say Datça are honey, almonds, and fish, the three B's. If you want to cool off in Datça, a recommendation is to leave yourself to the glass-like waters of Palamabuk. Our sixth stop, Göcek. The heart of the Blue Voyage, now we have the town of Göcek, which true sea lovers will fall in love with. When you think of Göcek, don't think of luxury and massive hotels. Göcek stands out as a wonderful holiday resort where you can find clean, boutique, charming, and high-quality hotels. If you want my advice, I suggest you take the 12 Islands tour and dive into those wonderful turquoise waters at Ferry. Rami Bay, Göcek is so beautiful that it makes you feel as if you are inside a postcard. My favorite thing is that there is nothing like relieving the day's tiredness at the stylish cafes of the marina on Göcek evenings. Gastronomy and accommodation in Muğla besides being a holiday destination. Muğla has very special flavors in terms of gastronomy. Among local greens, kefkatibo stems, sea beans, and olive oil dishes stand out. But I say don't leave Muğla without tasting the famous kıkırım kebab on Dash site. As for accommodation, two different holiday styles will stand out. You will either rest your soul in a cozy, small, but clean pension in Akyaka, or you will reward yourself and your family in the ultra-luxury world of regions like Bodrum and Göcek. Muğla is waiting to embrace you with accommodation. Options suitable for every budget, recommended. Accommodation options seemed like to suggest some hotels and pensions for a few of Muğla's pearls. But remember, these will be 2026 prices. Before you go, you should contact your chosen accommodation point to get information about current pricing. Akyaka, for a peaceful stay in nature. I can recommend Shamal Residence. It is approximately €100 per night. Bodrum. If you are looking for a luxury and panoramic hotel, I can recommend the Marmara Bodrum. The nightly price is approximately €300. Datça. If you are looking for an authentic and boutique pension, Eski Datça Evleri might be the perfect option for you. It is approximately €80 per night. Fethiye. If you want to reward yourself with a luxury stay, Liberty Fabe can open the doors of luxury to you with its all-inclusive concept. The nightly stay is approximately €250. Muğla is a great option for an unforgettable experience. See, no matter how much I talk about Muğla, my favorite and most admired holiday destination, it's never enough. I try to make you experience Muğla through my own experiences and eyes. In this video, we started from the white and uniquely beautiful streets of Bodrum, soared with paragliding from the summit of Fethiye Babadağ, and then took a breath in the tranquility of calm and charming Datça. I hope this Muğla travel guide will inspire you to write your own holiday story. Between these 6 stops where we got lost together, which place were you most curious about or said, I definitely need to see this? I am looking forward to your comments and experiences. I will read every single one. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that these kinds of travel guides can continue. See you in the next route, in a brand new travel guide and adventure. Have a great holiday already. Stay with love.